This recap was brought to you by MikePairMoney.com and the Biddles Investment Group, www.biddlesgroup.com, for the week ending August 2nd, 2025. Quick recap. The meeting began with a market analysis covering index performance, economic data releases, and sector movements. Mike highlighted mixed performances across various stock indices and sectors. The group then discussed trading strategies and market trends, including potential pullbacks and opportunities in stocks within the Mag 8. Later, the meeting focused on technical analysis, trading rules, and investment strategies, with members sharing their trading experiences and market timing approaches. Next steps. All attendees monitor market conditions to identify potential bottoms before new investments. Members review earnings reports, particularly Berkshire Hathaway, AMD, Supermicro, Uber, Shopify, and McDonald's. Members watch market responses to economic data releases, trade balance, ISM data, PCE on Thursday, employment, non-farm payroll reports. All attendees monitor market trends for potential August-September pullback. All attendees watch for moving average crossovers as market downtrend signals. All attendees consider rotation from high-performing tech stocks to healthcare names like Humana and Cigna. Member, wait for market bottoms before investing in Magnificent 9 stocks and monitor Microsoft and Palantir, especially for Palantir's Monday earnings. Member, track new purchase performance and review HCA and UNH positions based on technical analysis. Member, monitor HCA and UNH for buying opportunities using the falling knife strategy. Member, evaluate Kava for base building signs, exit CMG position, and incorporate moving averages into trading strategies. Member, revisit the fallen knife 3 strategy, managing church group investments, and report monthly to trustees. Member, monitor ACN for potential $250 entry, Amazon position adjustments based on market, and hold IonQ through earnings. Member, establish longer positions in quality companies at discounted prices during August volatility. Member, seek re-entry after selling due to market concerns and consider dollar cost averaging into SHLD ETF and Global X Defense Fund. Mike, share HCA chart analysis, consider NE for covered calls, research QTUM ETF, monitor IonQ, homebuilder stocks, and range-bound stocks like Snap, Archer, and Intel. Add SHLD to watch list, implement 10% above bottom rule, continue testing one-share alert approach, and provide data on 8-day and 21-day moving average strategies. Team, factor broader market context into stock evaluations. Summary. Weekly market performance and outlook. Mike noted that the Dow, NASDAQ, and Russell indices declined by 2.9%, 2.1%, and 4.1% respectively, with the S&P briefly hitting all-time highs before closing lower. Gold rose 0.5%, the 10-year yield fell 3.8%, and the VIX increased by 36% to levels around 21 to 23 due to market volatility. Upcoming economic reports, including the trade balance and ISM data, could influence market directions. Stock market performance weekly analysis. Mike detailed stock market performance, noting 10 of 11 sectors declined, with utilities being the only positive performer. Major tech stocks such as Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft influenced the S&P significantly. Within Mag 8, Microsoft, Meta, and Nvidia remained stable, while Apple, Amazon, Google, and Tesla saw declines. Market trends and trading strategies. Discussion covered a potential market pullback after a 4-month rally. Members considered opportunities in Mag 8 and Mag 9 stocks due to their significant market influence. Trading activity included portfolio adjustments and discussions around healthcare stocks such as Humana and Cigna. Members planned strategies for anticipated market downturns. Healthcare stocks investment strategy. Discussion emphasized patience when using technical indicators like moving averages to identify entry and exit points. A rotation strategy from high-growth tech to defensive healthcare stocks was considered prudent given market conditions. Stock strategies in quantum computing. Strategies involving covered calls and dividend income were reviewed. Quantum computing investments, particularly IONQs, partnerships and market positioning, were discussed, highlighting competitive concerns due to advancements from China. Stock trading opportunities and analysis. Stocks analyzed for potential trades included Verizon, G&K, KB Home, Snap, Archer, and others. Oil and airline sectors were also discussed. Emphasis was placed on aligning individual stock strategies with broader market trends. Stock performance and trading strategies. Delta Airlines' improving fundamentals and strong returns were highlighted. SHLD ETF's sustainability was questioned despite impressive year-to-date returns. CMG and Kava positions were discussed with insights into managing trading losses and opportunities. Investment strategies and trading rules. The group reviewed buying and selling rules based on moving averages and price thresholds. The fallen knife strategy was revisited, with discussions on refining current successful systems. One member's investment strategy success. The effectiveness of a rules-based trading approach was underscored by a subgroup managing church investments, achieving a 93.6% return over 6 years. Their disciplined approach includes predefined price ranges, profit targets, and careful position sizing. Investment strategies and business planning. Investment rules, mentoring approaches, and business strategies were discussed. Members reviewed recent presentations and planned further collaboration on investment training and corporate structuring. If you found this recap informative, consider subscribing to our Wealth Builders membership at https://mikepearmoney.com/wealthbuilding. Thanks, the Mike Pear Money Team.